Hello guys, it's a new unboxing. This is the TP-Link wireless and ADSL2 Plus modem router. This is the model number TDW8960N. We have some specs here. 300 Mbps, 2.4 GHz, E1 connection, parallel control, guest network, 6000 volt lighting protection. Here we get some specs, and here is a great value of money, 3 years warranty, only for 28 euros. Let's open it. Okay, here's some manuals. May help you. We have the router here. Quick installation guide. It's very light. 2 antennas. DSL, Ethernet, power button reset, WPS. Very good. Inside the box we have 2 line cables. We have a splitter, ADSL splitter. We have an Ethernet cable. And of course we have the adapter. So all that was the unboxing. Thank you guys for watching my new video. Please subscribe, like or dislike my channel, my video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.